वेलकम टू वेज क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक यूट्यूब कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार दिता म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. And today I'm going to show you all how to make kachoris. Okay, for that what we need the stuffing and how to make the dough. So to make the dough, what ingredients you need is, so these kachoris are of maida. So you need maida. 1 cup of maida will make 6 kachoris. Then little bit of fennel seeds, I've taken, it's like half teaspoon of fennel seeds, soft, then half teaspoon of cumin seed, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of hing, and half teaspoon of red chili powder, and half teaspoon of ajwain, carom seeds. This is the main to give that nice aroma also, and it's good for health also. So these are all what you need. 1 cup of flour, oil or ghee you can add. So this is around like 1 tablespoon of oil. Then salt to taste. So we have to knead this. Then for the stuffing, what we need, what I have done, I have used my Wonder Chef. You can use knife also. So this is around 2 medium size onions, little bit of coriander leaves, fresh coriander leaves, little bit of mint leaves, and 1 green chili. I have used Wonder Chef to chop this fine. And we need 2 boiled potato. These are boiled. And what it will go in the stuffing, we have to fry all this. Okay, so let's start with this. This is like evening snacks or breakfast, and it's tasty. So we'll take around 1 cup. Measurement cup is available in Amazon. We'll add salt also over here. Salt to taste. Now what we'll do, first thing, we will mix all this together. And now we will add this oil in this. And mix this all means full nicely. Then you add little by little water and make a dough. So don't add first only water, but little by little. Now we will add little by little water. So like 1/4 cup of water, but add it little by little. And here it is ready. Now we'll keep this and we will start our stuffing thing. So let's add our mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon. This is for stuffing. Cumin seeds 1 teaspoon. Fennel seeds 1 teaspoon. Curry leaves, little bit of asafida, that is hing, and we'll add an onion to this. So onion chopper is helpful actually. I will share the link. You can check and you can buy. So this stuffing you can make and keep, and whenever you are making kachori, which you have to only knead the dough and make. Now we'll add a masala to this. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and half teaspoon of garam masala powder. We have to add our chili powder also. So we'll add 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Salt to taste. Now with this I will add little bit of amchur powder, because we want this stuffing to be dry, so I am not using lime juice. So I will add amchur powder, that is dry mango powder, easily available in market and all. So 1 teaspoon of that. Last but not the least, we have to add 1 teaspoonful of chickpea flour, that is chana atta. So now we will add 1 teaspoon of besan flour or chickpea flour to this, or you can add dalwa powder also. So here is our onion kachoris, that is onion stuffing is ready. Okay, For all potato lovers, I am adding potato over here, boiled one. Mash and add this potato. So this is done. Our stuffing is done. Now we'll add little bit of ajwain crushed. Mix it, let it get cool down, and then we will do our stuffing. So now let's make our kachori. So now you take this much. So you make 6 out of 1 cup. I've kept oil for to become hot on low flame. So now just press this. You can use the roller also. And make like a well. And then we'll add our stuffing to this. Pinch it all the sides. And then press this slowly. So that stuffing doesn't get cooked up, okay? Then put like this in between. Keep it aside and do like this only. Same for others. So if you don't want to do with hand, then you can use the roller. press it. Softly. Let's fry this now. So oil for frying, and my oil is hot. So let's add this on low flame only. Okay, you have to fry. Otherwise it will be raw. तर हे भाजता तेन्ना मातशें लो फ्लेमीन भाजात. जाता तितलें नाजाल्यार कच्चे उरतले. When I say low flame means low flame on the first flame. So oil has to be very hot again on the low flame. Then you add it and fry it on the low flame only. And then slowly you have to turn this. Fry it till golden brown. See how they have raised, and now we will slowly turn this over. So here our kachoris are ready. Nicely, it is brown, crispy. Enjoy your kachoris. Thank you so much. Here is it's hot. It will wait for some time. It's crispy, nicely fried. So enjoy your kachoris. Thank you so much. देव बरें करूं. मानता तुमकां सगळ्यांक आवडटलें आनी हें तुमी करून तुमी खायात. Snacks, party snacks. Thank you.